How to backup messages to Samsung Cloud on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. And from here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. From here, go to Samsung Cloud section and tap on backup data. Now in here, go down and select messages. Turn off any other items that you do not want to currently backup. And then we scroll down and tap on the backup now button to immediately backup your messages to the cloud. Finally, tap on done, then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.